Afternoon, Tim Patterson from Narva here. We've partnered with the guys from South Seas Spearo and kitting out this beautiful 2500 behind us here. Awesome colour scheme. This one's been a bit of fun to play with, so we've messed around with the black and white colour combo. First off, you'll see the LED light bars. This is our Navigata range. Quite a bit of innovation in these bars. They've got some quite new tech which controls the light a lot better than your traditional style of LED light bar. Also super waterproof too at IP68 and 69K. So one thing that's really good with these bars is they've got a really sharp cutoff at the bottom edge, which means you don't get that light reflecting off your bow rails, which can be a bit of a problem. So not only that, they look super tough. So we've got one on the front, that's 9000 lumen, and then two on the radar mount up the top there, which are 6000 lumen. For the nav lights, we've gone for a black nav light with a clear lens, and then we've also got our scene lights on the side there, which are a new product for Narva, illuminating that whole side. If you do want to walk around, they're surface mount, so there's no bracketry to catch yourself on. And at the rear of the boat, we've got the Narva blue LED underwater lamp, so 1000 lumens. On those puppies, not only do they look cool, but they're also fairly functional too in terms of attracting fish to the back of the boat. So we fitted two of the Narva 72446W marine deck lamps for illumination around that deck area, and we've also gone for a range of dual colour lamps inside the boat, so red, white and also some blue, depending on what we're trying to achieve. It sort of ticks all those boxes for night boating. So I think we've got everything more or less covered on this boat. It certainly looks the part.